This call is now being recorded.
Okay, so Assalamu alaikum everyone, and I will be giving the complete flow of our final year project, which is Stockify application, mobile application. So, sir, this is the landing screen, which is a basic login page, and from here a user can register himself. So, I am creating an account by your name. So, it is in process of registering this account. Then we can see that the registration is successful. I'm just going to log in this account. And here we go. So in this page, the all stock companies which we have worked on, along with the information of volume, high, low, and close, the parameters uh, through which we can judge a stock company's health. So all these are coming. And this record is coming, and the record is fetching from the last day. Like if today is 30th of December, so this record is coming up 29th of December, because our the service we have created, so it usually runs on at every 5 p.m. of previous day. So all these values are coming relevant to the last day. So from here we can search any company, oil, for example, oil, gas, beef, petroleum, beef, and so firstly, the main functionality of our application is how to manage multiple portfolios. So I'm creating one for the test purpose. Testing. Then I will go to the select stock company, and I chose oil and gas development and create. So here my stock is my portfolio is created, having the name which I have provided. So currently there is no transaction because I have not, because it is a new portfolio, as you know. So firstly I am buying, and for the sake of simple calculations, I am choosing very small values, which is just, let's say what only the price of one share is 1 rupees, and I bought 10 shares on the date and today, which is 30th December. So buy. Here I can see that my transaction history is coming. Here the parameter action is showing that I have bought the stock, my total investment, date of purchase, quantity of shares, price per share, total share, and profit, which is obviously zero because I have not sell anything yet. So let me buy another stock. Let's say this time I am choosing the price 2 per share. So and again the amount will be 10. So you can say that another list has appeared having the total investment. Previously our investment was 10 rupees, and now after buying each share of rupees 2 and 10 in number, so 20 of this, and previous one 10, so total becomes 30. And we can say that total number of shares is 20, again profit is 0, and the parameters on which we have bought the shares are 10 and 2 respectively. So now I'm going to sell some stock. Let's say I sell 5 stocks. Sorry, let's say I sell each stock at rupees 5, and number of shares 10. So I am selling 10 shares on price of 10, on price of 5 each. So here I can see that the action sell investment 15. Now I'm going to explain the calculation. So previously our investment was 30, and since we have bought uh, and since we have sold the shares, so our current transaction is firstly I would like to tell you that on the state of the second transaction on which I have bought uh, 10 shares at price of 2, so where total number of investment is 30 and total shares are 20, so 30 divided by 20 comes 1.5. So at this stage, the second stage, all my 20 shares are having price of 1.5. Each share is costing me 1.5 rupees. So rupees or dollars, but you can whatever you like. So my total, so my cost on the selling stage is like as I have sold 10 shares, so 10 into 1.5 comes 15 rupees. So I invest. So I sold the shares of 15, worth 15 rupees is costing price. So and the total worth is 10 into 5 is equal to 50. So my profit becomes 50 minus 15. So my profit is 35. You can see that it is coming over here 35. And since I have deduced and since I have extracted from my investment like 15 rupees, so my total investment which was previously priced per share is 1.5, and I sold 10, so 1.5 into 10 is 15 again, and 30 minus it, I am considering the investment factor, so 30 minus 15 becomes 15. So my investment is also updated. If you find any confusion in the explanation, so it is very simple, you can just calculate it on yourself as well. So yes, let me tell you one thing more. If I want to sell, uh, currently I have left only 10 shares. So if I go to sell and let's say 5, and I try to sell more than the shares I have in my portfolio, so 15, so it will not let me do so. So here you can see this, the alert that not enough shares. So, so yeah, going back to the other features we have, I can have here multiple portfolios, all can be listed in terms of like just two, then company UBL. So it will appear like this. And again, this is empty because I have not performed any transactions over here. Going back to watch list. So currently I have no stocks in my I did no stock in my watch list. So first I will add, for example, OGTC. Now it is being added, and let's add some other one. Now two of them are added in the watch list. Here you can say that from here I can remove the cross button, and as I tapped over here, so it is removed. Tapping on the or tapping further, so we can have live data, tech analytics, prediction, and so again this is the same thing that our algorithm is running at 5 p.m. of yesterday. So we have to move back 1 day back. We have to move to yesterday's date, which is 29. Then we can see that all the relevant factors are fetched from the API and are displayed on the screen. Volume, high, low, close, open, code as well, and company name. Coming to the analytics page, then I will again choose this. So yeah, so these are the signals like Bollinger signals, which are showing that the stock health is currently stable. MACD signals, which shows that like this is the time to sell stock. And EPS value 23.5. Now moving to the prediction, which is our random forest prediction, which we have implemented. So here it is saying us the prediction is to buy. Okay. Then we will move to the forecasting screen. In forecasting, we have predicted the prices of those prices of in upcoming days, and currently we are calculating from 23rd December to 23rd Jan. So here, if I'll fetch to like 13 January, but like I am just want to know that I just like want to know that when what would be the prices of 13 Jan. So using the random forest prediction, I can see here. Look, 98.68, and all the prices of stocks are updated as per the given date. Like on 31st, it is 100.22. And also we have added alerts. So here you can see that the first one, the alert stock prices are updated, please tap to check. So this will on tapping this alert, so it will open the application. Basically we are just for the valuation purpose, sir. So uh, we are calling this alert after every 2 minutes. So because the evaluation period is short, so we can like have so we can demonstrate this functionality to the jury. And otherwise we can provide anytime whatever we want, like if we want to display alert once in a day, so I can just provide the correct concept. So in this particular limit, simply just for the sake of evaluation purpose, it is kept up to 120 seconds. So and here we can just sign out. So we are back to the application. We are back to the login screen, and that's all. Thank you.